All right, everyone, welcome to solution video for question 7 on Python Basic Worksheet 1. Let me put that there. And we're going to cover the 2004 Junior 1 question from the Canadian Computing Competition called Squares. Basically, what we're trying to do is we're going to write a program that takes the number of tiles and prints out the maximum side length that we can have when we have a collection of equal sized square tiles. And we're going to arrange them to form a solid square, and the maximum side length, that's what we're going to try to find out. Basically, if you remember from grade 9 math, if we're having an equal size square and we have number of tiles, we can just square root our number of tiles and we'll be able to get the maximum side length of our square. So we're going to be implementing that in. Let's take our input. Let's call this tiles. Let's call it input. Enter the number of tiles. And if you want to get granular here, we can say num tiles. So variable num tiles is now representing the number of tiles we have as an input. Let's do some processing. Yes, we can import math and do square root with that, but I'm going to show you how to do square root without importing math. So let's say max side length. Well, that is going to be equal to our number of tiles to the exponent of 0.5. A square root is the exact same thing as a number having an exponent of a half. All right. So now one problem with this here is that this is sometimes going to give us a floating point value if we can't square root properly. So after we convert it to, given an exponent of a half, we're going to convert it to an integer. Then on our output, we're going to output that the maximum side length is max side length. And that would be our program. Let's run this. Let's say there were 81 tiles. The max side length would be 9, right? Because we just have to square root our input. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.